Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I'm David. Today I want to talk about something that I use a lot in my shop, and that is Starbond CA glue. It's also known as super glue. This can be used by itself or with a spray can of activator, which makes it actually dry quicker. This usually dries within 15, 20, maybe 30 seconds, depending on your temperature of where you're working. It can also come in different thicknesses from thin, medium, and this is the thick a bottle. With it being thick, it won't run, it won't drip, it doesn't run all over the place, it stays where you put it, which is really good for the projects that I do with DIY stuff and making signs and different stuff. Let me bring you in and show you how to use it on a couple stars. Okay, as you can see, we've got the thick Starbond CA glue or super glue here. And what I'm going to do is just use this wooden star, and we're going to squeeze a little bit on the back here. And as you can see how thick it is. It's not running off and like that. It'll stay put. I can do it like this and it won't run off. Then we can just stick it down and hold it. Okay, as you can see, we held that on there for about 15-20 seconds. Let it dry, and as you can see, it's on there. It's not going anywhere. It's nice and stuck and holding onto that piece of wood. This can work with a lot of different materials. It doesn't work the best with acrylic. There's special glues for that. But woods and other things that you normally use in DIY projects, this stuff is great. It also comes in black, which really works for the gap filler. If you're working with wood and you have like a little hole or a knot hole in it, you can actually squirt this in there and have it fill in that knot hole. I highly recommend this stuff and use it every day in my shop. If you'd like to get some of your own, click in the description down below. There's a link to Amazon.